I'm Jill Malandrino with TheStreet's Options Profits, your home for everything options, futures, and commodities. Here's a quick look at what we're watching this Thursday, March 21st, 2013. Stocks finished higher Wednesday, wiping out most of the past week's losses after the Fed reaffirmed its policies on bond purchases and record low interest rates, and as investors shrugged off concerns over Cyprus. Futures point to a slightly lower open as better China manufacturing numbers are not good enough to balance the weaker German manufacturing data. The situation in Cyprus remains in the forefront as the ECB gave the parliament a Monday deadline to get something done. The U.S. dollar, base metals, and treasuries all move higher, while gold and crude are under a little pressure. On the economic front, it's a very busy data day as we get jobless claims, flash PMI, housing index, existing home sales, leading indicators, the Philly Fed, and crude inventory levels. Our top story this morning is Oracle and the impact to the IT services sector. After the close on Wednesday, Oracle reported a miss on the headline, dragging down names like IBM and EMC. We have a strong long-term position on Oracle and the sector on options profits, and that has not changed. The move lower in the aftermarket was overdone in our view, and much of the revenue disappointment appears to be related to the new sales force and higher trading costs, which also led to deals not closing, not competitive issues. Oracle's fiscal Q4 is its seasonally strong quarter, and we expect stronger CapEx spend in the second half of 2013, which will benefit the IT services sector. In other news, JCP shares will be in focus following its annual report filed on Wednesday that fixing its performance could take more time than initially believed, and suggested that any change in its strategy could be expensive. As a reminder, I am hosting our monthly webinar with Options Animal on Wednesday, March 27th at 6 p.m. Eastern with Greg Jensen. Join us as we review our outlook for Q2. We give our best trading ideas and strategies for managing your portfolio. For more of the day's top stories, visit TheStreet.com. I'm Jill Malandrino with TheStreet's Options Profits. Have a great week and trade well.